You're always falling asleep.
Hey guys, today we are camping at the Cascades and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Cascades.
I've told you.
The Cascades is located at Ulu Bendol Negeri Sembilan, which is not too far from Kuala Lumpur if you are driving here. The terrain on Cascades is extremely heavy, so the owner built deck around the campsite so people can camp on the deck. And this would be the deck that leads to the campsite, and if you are bringing a lot of stuff you will have to go through all the deck before you reach the campsite. According to the owner, they tried to flatten the campsite. However, after they dug, there are more and more rocks, and these rocks are not blastable. So they decided to build a deck on top of the rocks. And the climb can be a bit exhausting, as you can see I'm panting on the video. However, the climb is worth it, as the Cascades is one of the most beautiful campsites in Negeri Sembilan. At the time of this recording, the campsite can only be booked privately to a group, which means that the whole campsite is available exclusively to you and your friends.
好似咁樣嗬。
喂，麵包蛋啊！
唔該。都而家幾點啊
你住慣咗呢度係咪？超少你個口塞嘅。
係啊。
但係嗰啲係，其實嗰個爐好細啊嘛，你加熱嘅啲魔嚟嘅。
The Cascades is a durian farm, so you get to try many things on the durian. So here we have tried the durian bakar for the first time.
Even when I don't think about it, I still feel it missing.
The water at the Cascades is a private waterfall which is only accessible to the Cascades campers, and it's extremely cold and pristine. It is perhaps one of the best waterfall that I have ever had in my camping life. There is also a small hot spring on the bottom of the Cascades campsite.
Falling asleep late in the night when I think you're listening to me. Beside me, feels unfamiliar. Feels unfamiliar. Feels like strangers in the sheets.
The parking at the Cascades can be a little bit challenging as the parking area is located almost at the top of the hill. Hành前少少。OK， 擺仲喺右我嗰度。哦，你見唔見你冇喺嗰度啊？
突然間嚟，唔好突然間嚟。按。
直啊，直。睇住你 mirror。啊，直頭出到冇？淨係轉到冇？你個 mirror， 你 mirror，
唔得。
你再直後啲先啦，再後啲先啦，再 reverse。係啦，你個嗰個你直頭 reverse 多啲，跟住你可以大咩啊？
可以行，可以。
收到。
可以直行啊！慢慢嚟，唔好突然間撳逼喎。啊，可以直行，可以直接擺啊！
唔好擺先。
啊，直行先，
唔好擺先，直行先。直行唔可以擺啊！直行。
你看，
屌，
吞。
褪少少。